We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes in the flashback, starting standing there on a balcony somewhere rare. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you making into that crowd and say hello. Little did I know, but you were Romeo, I was discovering pebbles in my daddy said stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging to please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all the stuff to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. To ask me cat into the garden to see you. We kept quiet cause my daddy been used to close your eyes. Keep this down for a little while. Cause you were Romeo, I was a scarlet letter. And my daddy said stay away from Juliet. If you were everything to me, I was begging to please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be waiting, all there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, same, they tried to tell me how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's so real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out the dismiss. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, oh. I get tired of waiting. Wonder if you're coming and you're coming around. But faded you are, fading. I will meet you with the outskirts of town. And I said, Romeo, save me, I'll do this so alone. Keep waiting, but this stuff you never come in. This is my head, I don't want you think. And held to the ground and pull out the ring and said, Romeo, Juliet, you'll never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all. Really, no, I talk to your dad. Go pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. We were both young when I first saw